Alright, what is bro doing to me? Okay, what's up, y'all? So, new video today. We are in Southwest Florida, I believe. Yeah, it's the name. Southwest Florida Beta. We have a couple people here with us. We got this guy. He's a YouTuber. I have his link down in the description. Bro. So, yeah, it's just a car meet and everything. But yeah. Um, Pretty much that's all I gotta say. And yeah, stay tuned. This guy is a YouTuber. He has 2.3 thousand subscribers, and yeah, stop teasing me, god damn. That's his YouTube channel right there. CTHECHIL. So it's C the chill. That's his YouTube. Anyways, yeah, subscribe. Stop hazing me, I swear I'll shoot you. Alright, oh my god. Leave me alone! Leave me alone. Stop hazing me. Alright. So this is a car meet and everything. It took a while to get these people to come here. I mean, at first, there's like about 20 people. Half of them just left. But, yeah. Alright. Alright, let's go, guys. Follow me. Alright, sweet. Let's run it. Let's run it. Alright, let's go slow speeds. Slow. Holy shit, y'all going fast. I apologize if it's lag. Honestly, there's like 50 people in one area. I can see, you can see, bro. It's so crazy, but yeah. That's a lot of people, man. I mean, it took forever just to set it up and everything. But yeah. Alright, we're gonna go this way. Sorry. I mean to cut you guys off. Let's go over by C's Bar and Grill. We'll go there for a bit and then we might just get gas, off-road, and a street race I mean. And then, I don't know, that's the plan right there. So we just go to seaside, just drive around. We'll have a street race and then go off-road over by seaside, the bridge over there. And pretty much, yeah. Some people don't have voice chat, so I just type in. Alright, my fault. Is this the right way? Because I haven't played this game in a long time, so I'm not really sure. I'll put my hazards. Damn, that truck is flying. Yo, bro, it's going so fast. Anyways, shit. Yeah, this is the right way. I just haven't played this game in a long time. So we are driving. Wait a minute. One second. We're driving a 2022 Dodge Charger white body, and it's pretty fast. He goes like 200s, I think, up to 300s. I'm not sure, but I just realized that I'm running red lights. I don't know why. We're just running red lights for some reason. That's a lot of people behind us, in front of us as well. I want a daytime. Alright, let's speed it up a little bit. Oh shit. My fault. My fault, my fault, my fault. Okay, why am I... Okay, wait a minute. Bro, I just realized I've been crashing the whole time. Please don't ban me Roblox. Roblox, I don't know what I'm saying, but... Alright, my fault if I'm cursing. Don't ban me please, but yeah. Seaside. Is there a... Wait, can you not spawn boats? Dang, this car is actually heavy. This car is a boat. No cap. There's already people here, what the hell? Alright, yo, what is this cop doing? Let me just park up. Alright. 1 sec. So you like guys, what's up bro? This guy is so tall.
I'm good.
Why are you so tall?
Because I am tall. What the fuck you ask?
Hello.
What the hell?
What's up, man?
How? How? Like, bro,
I'm just built different.
obviously.
Disappear me.
Alright, you sold your truck. That's
Man,
nice
shut
to
up,
know.
man.
Yo, turn off the sirens. God damn, that shit loud. Bro. Turn off. Sorry. Bro, I can't even spell. I'm actually that dumb. Yeah, I can't even spell. Oh my D. Anyways, so. Bro, why do you keep on tasing me? I swear I'm gonna shoot you. Like, leave me alone. Alright, so the plan is that we're gonna eat here. I'm gonna spawn in an off-road car, probably a Trackhawk, and then we'll off-road. But later. Yo guys. Yo. So,
Yeah.
oh my god, I'm leaving, bro. Someone follow me, cause I hate this siren, bro. Gives me a headache. Someone come follow me. Now we're stay here is perfect. Alright, here's perfect. So new plan. Bro, I'm gonna slow typer 1 sec.
Bodyguard.
Alright. Bro, why are you guys so tall, bro? Like, what the hell?
Let me be your bodyguard, bro.
Sure. Holy shit. I'm gonna spawn at SUV.
Yeah, man. Let's go, man.
I wanna hop in? Alright,
Yeah,
hop
yeah,
in.
sure.
Flipping hell. Alright, follow me. Where is it? It's over here, I think. Follow me, guys. Y'all got your trucks? Oh shit, you guys actually got trucks. Bro, why do I keep on cursing? I do not know. I wanna buy that car. It actually looks good. Yeah, over here. His car is bouncing. What the hell? How is that possible?
Yeah, it looks like jelly, man.
Yeah, I know.
I don't really think it's good. I don't think it helps.
Where is the police here, man? Every time, bro. Alright, so which way are we going? Take a left? Are you taking a left or right?
I say take a left.
Alright, where's everyone at? Hold up. Where the hell did everyone go?
I think they went to the entrance. So the entrance is in front, like way
Oh,
further.
alright, let's go to the entrance then. Alright. Yeah, you can take leads. Yeah, go ahead, go. You go take leads. Yo, this car is loud. What the hell? Yo, I can't hear you because this engine is too loud.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Oh, this is the entrance. Alright. Could someone announce them to come here? Could you announce it?
Hold up, I'm gonna do it.
Alright. Alright, thank you.
Hold up, I'm gonna spawn my car.
Alright. Yo, this car, let's look at the track hawk, man. It looks so clean. Obama, wait, what? Bruh. Oh my, excuse me. Oh my days, how? Just tell me how you managed to get your car stuck.
He's not good at this.
Yeah, you need to. Oh man, your engine is gone. Alright, so I got a question, y'all. So, do we go this way, go straight, or into the water?
I've been on this road many times. Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, you go first. I'll follow you.
The problem
Okay,
is you need to go very slow because we can go separately very quickly.
Alright. Thank you. Is my car fine? Should I buy a truck, or is this fine? I'll take that as a yes, it's fine. Alright, thanks, yo. Oh, shit. Come on. No, why me, bro? Yeah, this car is not okay for off-roading. Oh my days. Bro, this has gone bad, so look at this. Hold up. This is so bad. Yo, come on. There's no way. There we go. Come on. Alright. Holy shit. Oh shit, my fault. Okay, alright, let's go. Oh, this way. This car is loud. Let me mute myself because I'm cussing. Yo, my car is so loud. I don't know why. Oh shit. Bro, we're actually stuck. Look at the cop car, bro. Oh my days, this is a disaster. Bro, this is a disaster, bro. Not gonna lie. I'm respawning my car. There's no way. I'm gonna make that up.
Into some problems.
Yeah. My car is not able to climb rocks.
Hey, you wanna come in my car?
No, that's right. I'll just spawn in your car.
Okay, but be careful.
Yep, I'll try my best then. Bro, can't even spawn my car. Hold up, let me spawn my car here.
Go on
Yeah, bro, this is a disaster, man. I don't know why the video looks like this, but anyways. Oh, you're pissing. You're taking a piss. There's no way. I'm actually stuck. Alright, let's go. Ooh, let's go. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on, Tracker. You got this. Oh, I hate this route. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Water, oh my days, bro. It's not deep, right? It's not even stuck. Ooh. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, I should have bought a truck at first. I can't regret it. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, let's go. I'm coming. Alright, bro, what the hell? There's so much rocks. Yeah, bro, after this, I'm gonna buy a truck for myself because this tractor cannot handle it. Did I lose everyone? Okay, I got them. Holy crap, that was sketchy, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you, that was scary as well. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Where's the...
Let's go, let's go.
I'm hopping in your car, bro. My car is damaged.
You wanna do it again?
Nah, I'll do it later. Kinda sketchy.
Okay.
Yo, the guy is back. He's alive. Look at him. Yo. Go to the dealership.
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. Shit. Alright. My car is... Yo, I like that car. Is this a new one? It is a new one. Woohoo. Sounds nice. We got wheel. Oh, we got extra wheel and everything. Damn. This guy is rich. Alright, I'm gonna add this guy because, you know, actually, I want to add him. What's this guy's name? I want to add him. It's a long fella. It's a long guy. So, yeah, it's a fun guy. I'll add him. He's kind of fun. I mean, he is fun. Yeah. Yo, how much is this car? Oh shit. Yo, bro, how much is your car? The truck one. How much is it? Because I want to buy it, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. Car, yo, your car looks clean as hell. Alright, thank you, man. Okay, I'm gonna buy a new car, cause okay. Everyone, I'm gonna buy a truck. Some nice car, SUV. Where's the truck? That's okay. B. I wanna. Which one is it? Ooh, I like that. That car looks clean. Should we get a Tesla? Nah, I can't. I don't really like Teslas. They're not even that good. No cap though. I mean, they're alright. They're pretty fast though. Alright, let's buy it. I mean, I'm broke as hell. Alright, let me just where is it? Let me just paint it and everything, fix wheels and everything, and then we'll just go to my house. Ooh, that car sounds good. Alright, let's paint it to wait. Ooh, that looks good. A black color. Hell yeah, that looks clean. Yo, performance, obviously, bro. Gotta do that. I have no money at all. Okay, there we go. Brakes. Yes, do that, and then. Okay. Yeah, speed. And then the wheels. I don't know, the wheels might be just fine. But, excuse me, but I think it's just fine off-road, yeah. I'll just do that, honestly, it's not really important to me. Everyone. This sounds nice. A goddamn limousine, what the hell? Alright, so we're gonna do a house party. Y'all can follow me, okay? And pretty much that's alright. We'll just go through that. I'm gonna follow some traffic laws, to be honest with you, bro. My fault. I mean, we're in an SUV, bro. I mean, this goddamn massive truck. I mean, it's slow. It's slow. Yeah, I know. It's slow, but it looks nice. It sounds nice. What's this? Damn. Oopsie, my fault. Yo, what is that, a force? Yeah? What's up, bro?
Yeah, do you like my Tesla, man?
That's not Tesla.
Yeah, it is.
Actually,
Yeah.
Is the hyper one. Is the hyper one.
Is the 3.4 million or whatever.
damn. That's expensive.
I made it look way nicer than it really is.
Yeah, I can see that. Alright, well, if no one comes to the house, I'm just gonna end the video and then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Damn, bro, it's flying. Alright, see. Alright, we are here. I have to buy my house first. I kinda forgot to do it, but you know, that's fine. I just need to buy it. I don't have to buy it actually. I already have it once. Alright, my fault. Let me just put my car inside the house. Let me unlock that and then unlock the house. Wow, shit, I can't. Well, why am I so. Bro, why do I always keep on cursing in the VC, bro? Like, I can't really stop shouting, bro. But damn it. Open these lights. Anyways, y'all can come inside the house if you want. Make yourselves at home, bro. Yeah, come in, come in, come in. Come in, bro. Get your ass in the house.
Yeah, let's go.
God damn, you long as hell. Bro, scared me for a
Hey.
second. Alright, let me just turn these headlights. I think... Where is everyone at? They just left us, man. Yeah, I want to open the lights upstairs. And then, yeah. There's this. Okay, there we go. There we go. And then 2 more rooms. What's this? Toilets? That's not even a thing. And then this one. This is my second room. Anyways, I'm gonna edit this video. It's gonna take me forever. If I don't edit it, that means I'm lazy as hell. Anyways,
Bro, if you want an editor, I got you.
what you say?
If you want an editor, I got you.
You know how to edit?
Yeah. I use Premiere Pro.
Alright. You got Discord?
Yeah. I actually use it right now. This is my friend right next to me.
Oh, alright. Alright, well, it's like,
I mean,
just,
if you want to, not I'm not
I might,
asking
not
you.
sure. I have to see.
Okay.
Where's your name? It's Code of Mist. It's exactly as my Roblox name. Which,
Okay.
alright, well, I might end this video soon,
Bro, it
but
says it's not accepting friend requests.
what the hell? Alright, let me see.
You can type in my name.
Alright, what is it?
So it's like on Roblox, but 100 instead of 555.
Could you type it, please?
Yeah, sure.
It's Fun Game 100.
Yeah, it doesn't let me type it, but yeah.
Alright. Oh shit, alright, my fault. Phone gun, yeah, I got you. Alright, I'm gonna end my video real quick, one sec. Alright, let me just mute myself. Alright, what's up y'all? So that's the end of the video. A little bit short, and I mean, a second, like, I don't know what I'm saying, bro. But I'm gonna do a second episode soon.
Bro, I don't
This
think
one
it worked.
will be posted in like 2 days. I'm just gonna edit it, and I think if I don't edit it, that means I'm lazy. But not lazy, I mean, bro. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed, and in the video.